got a 2011 GSR750 in for wrecking. This one will be wrecked in the coming weeks. This one's had a front end impact. See the dash up here. Had the impact, front guard. This one actually just taken it quite difficult. Taking it for a quick ride around the car park, and it does ride true and straight and feels nice. The wheels don't look like they're buckled or anything like that, so that's all pretty good. There is a bit of damage on the tank. We'll check the forks for straightness as well. They're not leaking or anything like that. A good bit of damage on the back here. This one does have a very nice Akrapovic carbon exhaust on it, which looks to be pretty undamaged as well at the moment. See, the right side is predominantly untouched. Beautiful sounding exhaust, that Akrapovic. Not quite get a shot of that dash. Unfortunately, it's a little bit damaged, but this one will be wrecked, as I said, in the coming days, and all parts will be available on our website, bikesparesaustralia.com. Thanks.